took the train to the south side of Boston. You showed me where your old man stayed. Took 28 years of blood I was lost in to feel love on my own birthday. And I always felt like I was in between something like home and somewhere far away. But tonight on the west side of a bar out in Brooklyn, I saw tears outline your face. How lucky we are. It's been a lovely week, but you're all gone now. The smoke's leaking out of your dirty teeth. You're home somehow. Well, hi there, pluckers. I've saw things again with you with hopefully another interesting ditty for you. Short and sweet this one. This is a brand new song from Bryan, and the song's called 28. And I'm in standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as Bryan, which is the key of G. Okay. Now, unusually on this song, the video I saw him playing this song, he's actually playing the piano, but he's just playing basic stabbing chords, or vamping on the piano. So this is hopefully the chords he's playing. It's a bit difficult when you're transposing from piano, but this is fairly close, I think. Okay. So what you heard me play there was the intro, a verse and a chorus. It then just repeats another verse and a chorus, same chords, but different words on the verse, obviously. Okay. So what you've got here is everything that's in the track I heard. Anyway, so let's get to it. So the intro, very simple, just 4 chords: a G, a D in E minor, and a C. And that's the intro. You play that 4 times, and you just do 1 single strum each chord. Okay, 4 times. When you get to the last one, you hang out the C, bit of a pause there, and then he comes in with the first verse, and it's exactly the same chord sequence. Again, it's single strums all the way through the verse. Okay, that's a G, a D, E minor and C. So it goes, you took the train to south side of Boston. You showed me where your old man stayed. To 28 years of blood I was lost in to feel love on my own birthday. And I always felt I was in between something like home and somewhere far away. But tonight on the west side of a star in Brooklyn, I saw tears around your face. Right, I normally get to the end of the verse on that, but I saw tears in your face, right? Sorry, because I saw tears in your face. When you get to the C, you start strumming, right? So it's I saw tears in your face. And then we're going into the chorus, okay? Now the chorus is basically the same chords in a different order. And the chorus is E minor, D, G, C. Round and round, okay? So it's how lucky we are, it's a hell of a week, we're all grown now. The smoke's seeping out of your bloody teeth, but you're home somehow. Okay, and it's like okay, that sort of thing, okay? Dun 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 dun. That's right, so it's coming out that line, that's the line where it's I saw tears out on your face. Right, chorus. How lucky we are, it's been hell of a week, we're all grown now. The smoke seeping out of your bloody teeth, you're home somehow. And then it goes, repeats the same chords again twice over, but with the whistles of the actual melody, right? Which is this. Okay, so what am I doing there? So E minor, then you play the top E string open, third on the second, first on the second, and then you go to a D chord. So it's okay. Then you play so second on the third, open second, first on the second, G. So now you've got E minor, D, G. Then you play the open B string, second string, second on the third, open third, C. Repeat. And then he goes into the second verse and repeats the whole thing again, okay, with different words. Thanks very much for watching, listening. Hope that helps you play that song. It's quite simple. A nice pleasant ditty for you Bryan fans out there. See you in the next lesson, which probably will be the other new one that he's released recently called Like Ida. Okay, I think it's called. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Thanks for now. Bye.